Tired of drowning in legal paperwork and endless manual tasks? What if I told you that you could automate 80% of your legal workflow using AI without writing a single line of code? Stick around, because I'm about to show you the exact blueprint that will save you hundreds of hours and completely transform the way you work. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into something truly game-changing, creating an automated legal workflow. This isn't just theory. This is a practical step-by-step guide using two powerful tools you can start with today: Zapier and Notion AI. For legal professionals, efficiency isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. The more time you spend on administrative tasks, the less time you have for high-value work like client strategy and case analysis. That's where automation comes in. So let's break it down. Our goal is to build a system that automatically handles client intake, document creation, and task management. Imagine a new client fills out a form on your website. Instantly, their information is captured, a new client file is created, initial documents are drafted, and tasks are assigned to your team. Sounds like magic, right? It's not. It's just smart automation. First, let's talk about the tools. Zapier is the glue that connects all your different apps. Think of it as a universal translator for software. It lets you create zaps, which are simple automated workflows that say, when this happens in app A, do that in app B. For our legal workflow, this is the engine that will power everything behind the scenes. Next up is Notion, and specifically, Notion AI. Notion is an incredibly flexible all-in-one workspace. You can use it for note-taking, project management, creating databases, and so much more. With the addition of Notion AI, it becomes a powerhouse. We'll use it to create our central client database, manage case files, and even draft initial legal documents automatically. Okay, let's build this thing. Step 1 is the intake process. You can use any form tool you like: Google Forms, Typeform, or even a form embedded on your website. When a potential client submits their information, this is our trigger. Now, for step 2, this is where Zapier comes in. We'll create a zap. The trigger is new form submission. The first action will be to create a new page in our Notion client database. We'll map the fields from the form name, email, case details directly into the corresponding properties in our Notion database. Just like that, you have a new organized client record without lifting a finger. But we're not stopping there. Let's make it even more powerful. The next action in our zap will be to use Notion AI. Inside the new Notion page we just created, we're going to set up a template. This template will have a special Notion AI block. We can instruct this AI block to do something amazing. For example, we can tell it, using the information on this page, draft a standard client engagement letter. So, when the zap runs, it not only creates the client page, but also triggers Notion AI to instantly write the first draft of the engagement letter, populating it with the client's name, case details, and your standard terms. All you have to do is review, make any necessary tweaks, and send it off. Think about the time that saves. You can create templates for all sorts of initial documents, retainer agreements, NDAs, or discovery requests. Step 3 is task management. A new case means new tasks. Back in our Zapier workflow, after creating the Notion page and drafting the document, we can add another action. This action could be to create a series of tasks in your project management tool, whether that's Asana, Trello, or even another Notion database. For example, Task 1, review drafted engagement letter, assigned to paralegal, due 1 day. Task 2, schedule initial client consultation, assigned to assistant, due 2 days. The beauty of this system is its scalability and customizability. You can add more steps. Maybe you want to automatically create a Google Drive folder for the new client and save the drafted document there. Zapier can do that. Maybe you want to send an automated welcome email to the client confirming you've received their information. Zapier can do that too. So, why is this so helpful? First, it eliminates human error in data entry. Information is transferred perfectly every time. Second, it ensures consistency. Every new client goes through the exact same streamlined process. Third, and most importantly, it frees up your time and your team's time. Instead of copying and pasting information and manually creating documents, you can focus on the strategic work that truly matters to your clients and your firm. This isn't about replacing legal professionals. It's about empowering them with a supercharged toolkit. It allows solo practitioners and small firms to operate with the efficiency of a much larger organization. So there you have it, a complete AI-powered legal workflow automation blueprint using Zapier and Notion AI. It might seem complex at first, but once you set it up, it runs quietly in the background, working for you 24/7. Start small with just the client intake, and then gradually add more layers of automation as you get comfortable. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to see more deep dives into AI tools and productivity workflows, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We have a lot more content like this on the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.